Now, in this evening's edition of the Health Report, we look at ways in which people can boost their immune system against Covid-19. Here's Shamela Pullen.
Research data show that people who are deficient in vitamin D are more susceptible to COVID-19. Nutritionist Dr. Joy Calendar agrees.
We definitely seem to have waves in the winter months, if we look at up north in the colder climes, when people are indoors and not exposed to vitamin D. So I don't think vitamin D is going to cure COVID, but we know that vitamin D is important for boosting the immune system. So it is a very real possibility.
People can get vitamin D from the sunshine, but it can also be obtained from certain foods like egg yolk, milk, and yogurt.
The gut has what we call good and bad bacteria, the gut microbiome. So when we eat things like yogurt, it has a number of things. One, it has vitamin D, but it also has probiotics. And probiotics those are the good bacteria. Sometimes with stress and so on, that balance of good and bad bacteria is disrupted. Yogurt with the live cultures can help to reestablish that. And I've noticed in Jamaica quite a surge in the use of yogurt.
Other foods rich in antioxidants are vitamin A, C, and E.
Vitamin A, and you remember I mentioned the carotenoids. So those are your dark green leafy vegetables and your orange foods. So things like carrots and sweet potato and pumpkin and those kinds of things. Vitamin C, in our context, guavas or cherries, all of the citrus fruits, from grapefruit to oranges to tangerines, all of those.
Dr. Calendar says taking zinc is also important. You can get zinc from seafood, red meat, and even pumpkin seeds. Dr. Calendar is advising that moderation is key.
These foods have other things other than just vitamin C. It also has things, your dark green leafy vegetables will have vitamin K. Vitamin K is very good for you, good for your bones, but it also can interfere with things like blood thinners. So never ever, because somebody says to you that something is good, you think that you're going to have it huge amounts and every single day.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.